Okay, so in this video you will see me clean my brooder. Here I'm just taking out the items in the brooder, like the water, the food, and the snack tray. One of the little chicks were on top, so I had to remove him or her because they were straight run. I'll now start removing the chicks and the little duckling. I place one in a box, and then I will be placing the box into the brooder so that way I can show you guys, what I'm putting them into while I clean their cage. Well, brooder. I am using a big tote for mine. You can use a guinea pig cage or even a large box. Some use galvanized steel tubs. Here I'm just removing the paper towel that has poop, food, grit, water, urine on it. I fold it into like a little burrito and then I place it in the trash can. I'm now going to use a vacuum to suck up all the extra that's in the bottom of the tote. It is food, grit, and a little bit of dried poop that's in there. You can also use a broom or just turn it upside down if you're outside, but this is placed in my bedroom. Here I'm spraying the tote down with an all-natural cleaner that is pet friendly. I use it to help get the rest of the stuff off the bottom and help sanitize the tote. I will leave a link in the description of what one I use. I'm measuring the paper towel with the length of the tote, that way it fits inside of it correctly. I will then line the bottom of the tote with paper towel. This is an easy to clean way for the bottom of the totes for substrate. Some use pellets, some use shavings. Either is great. I just choose this method. I'm folding the edges over so that way food and poop do not get stuck underneath of it. It just helps keep the bottom of the tote easier to clean. When cleaning off the heating plate, you will want to use an all-natural cleaner as well. I just spray it on top and wipe it off with paper towel. I got my heating plate from Murray McMurray. They are a family-owned chick hatchery, and I highly suggest you buy from them. When it comes to what's in their water, I put a solution of probiotics, electrolytes, rescue remedy to help keep them calm, along with vitamin supplements. I put the pebbles in the bottom of the watering tray to help them from splashing their water and getting them wet. You can use rocks, marbles, just make sure it's clean and that you rinse the marbles out every time that you put new water in. I put new water in about every 12 to 24 hours. I'm now going to be sprinkling some grit and chick feed mixture along the bottom. If you're going to feed your chicks any form of like fresh vegetables, they will need grit to help process the food through their body, as they don't have teeth and the grit acts as a teeth. The chick feed is soft enough when it comes to their saliva that they don't need the grit. Now that all the chicks and the duckling is in the brooder, they're going to peck around, see what's all new. They're going to figure out where their food is. They already know where their water is. And they'll start to calm down. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that way you can get updates on these little cutie pies.